Hi everyone! So grabe, 2 years na po agad pala to. Welcome to Palawan! Sobrang ganda dito guys sa Daluyan. Happy birthday po Tita Tet! This is one for the books, really. And this was in El Nido naman po. Wave at the camera guys! Sobrang ganda ng view, magnificent. We dropped by at Port Barton. I miss Palawan so much. Ingat po kayo lahat dyan lagi. Miss po namin kayo lahat dyan. Happy birthday po!